Tropical sanctuary, modern minimalist single-story house design blurs lines with nature. Introduction: blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. Welcome to the Decor Essence channel, where we explore innovative architectural designs and home interior concepts. In today's video, we're diving into a modern minimalist single-story house design that harmoniously blends with nature, creating a tranquil tropical sanctuary. This design approach not only emphasizes simplicity but also allows the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living to blur. If you're passionate about architectural design or seeking inspiration for your next home project, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Let's explore how this seamless integration of nature and minimalist design can transform a home into a true sanctuary. The essence of minimalism, a foundation of simplicity. Minimalism is the backbone of this modern single-story tropical house. At its core, it focuses on stripping away excess to create a serene living space that invites calm and mindfulness. The design eliminates unnecessary decor and clutter, prioritizing open space, clean lines, and essential elements only. This minimalist philosophy is key to blurring the lines with nature, as the environment outside becomes an integral part of the living space. In a minimalist home, every piece of furniture, every architectural feature, is purposeful. Seamless integration with nature, a transparent connection. One of the most striking aspects of this house design is how seamlessly it integrates with the surrounding environment. Expansive windows and sliding glass doors create unobstructed views of the tropical landscape outside, allowing the beauty of nature to become a part of the home's interior. The architecture takes inspiration from the natural world, incorporating natural materials such as stone, wood, and bamboo, which further enhance the connection between the home and its tropical surroundings. This transparent connection with nature makes the home Natural lighting, embracing the sun's warmth. In a tropical sanctuary, natural lighting plays a crucial role in bringing the outdoors in. Large windows, skylights, and open spaces allow for abundant natural light to flood the interiors, making the space feel airy and bright. The natural light also helps to create a connection with the outdoors, as the ever-changing light throughout the day highlights the shifting moods of nature. Sunlight pours in through expansive glass walls, casting soft shadows and changing the ambience of each room. The warm, tropical sunlight enhances the natural materials used. Open-plan living, encouraging flow and flexibility. In this modern minimalist design, open-plan living is a central feature. By eliminating walls and partitions, the home encourages a free flow of space, where the boundaries between rooms are softened. The living area, dining space, and kitchen merge into one expansive zone that opens up to the outdoors, reinforcing the concept of blurring the lines with nature. This openness fosters a sense of flexibility, allowing the homeowner to adapt the space as needed for various activities. The flow of the design not only tropical landscaping, creating an oasis around the home. The exterior design is just as important as the interior when it comes to creating a tropical sanctuary. Lush greenery, native plants, and well-planned landscaping create an oasis that surrounds the home. Outdoor spaces such as gardens, patios, and pools blend into the tropical landscape, allowing the home to feel like it is part of the natural environment. Tropical landscaping helps to frame the home's architecture while providing shade and cooling, making the outdoor living spaces just as enjoyable as the indoor areas. These outdoor spaces Sustainable features, design with purpose. Incorporating sustainable features into the design is an essential part of creating a modern minimalist home. Eco-friendly elements such as rainwater harvesting systems, solar panels, and natural ventilation contribute to the home's sustainability. These features not only reduce the home's environmental footprint but also ensure that it remains in harmony with the tropical environment. Sustainable materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and stone are used throughout the home, ensuring that the house is both eco-conscious and in sync with its surroundings. The integration of green technology with minimalist textures and materials, bringing warmth and depth to the home. While the minimalist design focuses on simplicity, textures and materials play a crucial role in adding depth and warmth to the space. Natural materials such as stone, wood, and leather bring tactile comfort and organic beauty to the home. The texture of raw concrete floors contrasts with the smooth finish of polished wood, creating a dynamic yet peaceful environment. Soft furnishings like rugs and cushions add layers of comfort, while the natural colors and tones of these materials enhance Outdoor living, the heart of the tropical sanctuary. Outdoor living spaces are key to enhancing the tropical sanctuary experience. With an open floor plan, the home encourages seamless transitions between the indoors and outdoors. Covered patios, outdoor kitchens, and dining areas provide spaces to entertain or relax, while private courtyards offer seclusion. These outdoor spaces are not only functional but serve as an extension of the home's aesthetic, creating areas where you can fully immerse yourself in the tropical surroundings. Whether you're enjoying a meal in the Conclusion: the perfect balance between modern design and nature. In conclusion, this modern minimalist single-story house design exemplifies the perfect balance between contemporary architecture and the natural world. By prioritizing simplicity, openness, and a strong connection with the outdoors, this design creates a true tropical sanctuary. The integration of sustainable features, natural materials, and open spaces ensures that the home is not only beautiful but also functional and eco-friendly. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your own home or simply appreciate thoughtful architecture, this design proves that a minimalist approach can enhance